Hey guys, so just finished work and kind of finished packing up. Like I got my camera bag, coolers in the back, my suitcases in the back, all my tools and all my tires are already set up here. All I got to do is back up the car, attach the trailer, and start heading out. Gonna be like an 8-hour drive tonight, stay over in a hotel, and then finish the rest of the drive to get registered and tech tomorrow. You know, so I'm gonna be changing tires, changing brakes, the whole thing. And then maybe head to the National Corvette Museum for a bit. And then after that, I will continue on with practice day and then the following competition. So I will see you guys soon. Maybe I'll put a time lapse of the nightly drive. So see you guys soon. So we're going in Pennsylvania, and this road is just bouncy. I'm not even checking the camera. I'm trying to hold it as still as possible. This road is like super bumpy. Oh, super zoomed in. Hey guys, so we are at NCM. We have the Holly building right there. The track is actually right behind it. Garages and tech over there and registration. We're all registered, teched in, and the car is pretty much prepped for tomorrow. All I really got to do is maybe just clean it if I really want to. But after we got registered and teched in, we went for a track walk. Should have took you guys on there, but it was like a 2+ mile track walk and I'm tired. But I'll take you guys tomorrow to the practice day, and you guys will probably be in the car where you guys usually are, and we'll get some good clips of laps. Good morning guys. So it is quite humid out, and drivers meeting at 8, then pace laps, and after that I'm actually going to be riding with Tom O'Gorman, pro Honda driver, or used to be at least. I don't know what the current situation is with COVID, but I took up his coaching offer, so I'm going to take a ride with him. But since it's going to be kind of raining this entire session or event, it might be hard to get any good data, so we'll see. Okay, that's not me. But yeah, so you guys will be in the car with me for pace laps and my first session. Unfortunately, I forgot my helmet cam, so I won't be able to. I forgot the helmet cam, so I won't be able to take you on a ride with Tom O'Gorman, which is kind of a bummer, but at least I'll come back and put in some of the points that he made to me. Alright guys, so we're heading out for the pace laps. Gonna dual purpose a little bit. I'm gonna drag my brakes a lot to at least bed them in a little bit. And then I'm actually going to be following Mark. It's going to see if he's going to be doing a line. He had won S2 last year at Nationals, so following him is going to be very ideal. As I mentioned before, pace laps are good for a few reasons. One, you can follow the car in front of you, especially if they're testing their line. 2, looking for flagging stations. We saw that there was one at 1A and 1B. track walk, you can also kind of see the course at a slower speed than just walking pace. So normally I can like kind of figure out a line, a very rough line on the pace laps. This turn here is a very high speed corner. We could like go around like upwards to 100 miles per hour. I'm not gonna be that ballsy today, but we'll get a feeler, especially since the track is damp. Turn 6, I believe, very tight turn, very deceiving. But from here we can go wide, hit this apex, and then I want to stay tight on this corner. Flagger at 9. Stay wide here. And I don't think I'm going to be hitting this curve. I'm going to try and stay where this clear patch of pavement is. Brake here, downshift to 2, take this turn, accelerate out. Flagger at 12. Set up for deception. Turn later than you think you need to. And that's going to be full acceleration all the way to 15. Tip, wave to your flaggers. They do a lot for us. Pit entrance, because after this Tom is going to take me in his car for his first session, and I'm just going to feel how his car is sliding or gripping in certain places. Alright guys, I want to preface this really quick. Tom, if you haven't heard of him, is or was a pro Honda driver. If you look up some IMSA races or TCR races, I think you could see his name in them. But this lap that I'm about to show you is the first lap of the event that he's done. Given the fact that he's been here many times this year, first lap of the event, and he pulls off this flyer. I was amazed. I got the data. I was super stoked about this. So enjoy this lap. Hey guys, editing Phil here. The video is just getting a little bit too long for my liking, so I'm going to cut the video here and I'll follow up with the rest of SCCA Time Trial National event in the following weeks. So I just want to say thank you. I think I'm at 198 subscribers. I'm very close to my July goal, my 2-year goal to be exact, hitting 200 subs. So I just want to say thank you to everyone that's watched my videos and subscribed. Or, you know, if you're a passerby, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing. You know, this is just my journey through motorsports, and, you know, 2 years in, I started with autocross in a 2002 Civic, and now I'm in a 2003 350Z on track, you know, at a national event nonetheless. So I'm super happy, and I'm glad to share this experience with you, and especially this event, because as you guys just saw, I had a pro driver race my car, or at least put down the time in my car, you know, and it phenomenally helped that whole week of this event. So you guys will see that in the future. I just want to say thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
"誰も読めない